Hi friends, Mayank Agarwal here. Here I am going to show you how to optimize Google Chrome for maximum privacy, a step-by-step tutorial. Friends, Chrome has now become the default browser on most of the computers. Simplicity, sleek design, less buttons, and more viewing space. Okay, but there are many settings in Chrome that are actually helping Google to track your tracking habits and give you more personalized results. Here we are going to see how to make your Chrome more private for yourself. Uh, in the text description of my video, you will have some search strings. Okay, because in the version 19 of Google Chrome, the entire setting menu has been changed as compared to previous versions 18s and previous. Okay, so I will give you a generalized method where you can search for the settings and then tweak with it. So here it's my Google Chrome. Okay, I come to the branch menu, come to the settings. So you see, you might be having under the hood and 4 options. Here I am having only this many. I have the Google Chrome version 19. Okay, so I need to just a minute. Okay, so I need to search for some of the terms here. First is disconnect. I am just copy pasting it. So see, since I am signed in with Mayank265, I should always disconnect this account, because once signed in, it is actually sync the data. It will continuously check for the change in data and sync it. Okay, so I would say you disconnect from this. Okay, so it will ask for a confirmation. Just tell it disconnect. Okay, if you want to again sign in into Chrome, you can just sign in again. Just a minute, I will sign in. Okay, sync everything. Now there is another option beside this disconnect, advanced sync settings. Okay, just click this and click on encrypt all sync data. Click on choosing on free face. Don't use the Google password, but have something this. Okay, changing this, click OK. Now search for instant. INSTNT. When you search for instant, basically every query which you type will go to the Google server. Okay, for matching. So disable the instant. Okay, untick this. The third thing which you used to do is location. Google always tracks your location. Okay, search for location, come to advanced settings. This feature is good of Google, like you can just search for the settings, so no need to remember all the menus and everything. So see, allow sites to track my physical location. Ask me where the site tries to track my. Keep this option. Do not allow any site to track my location. The next we are coming to cookies. Cookies is actually just about this only. See, here you come to cookies. See, for maximum privacy, you just tick this option, block third-party cookies. Also tick this option, clear cookies when other site want to close my browser. But there are many sites that won't work if the cookies are not enabled. So you can untick this and have this radio button in the middle. Allow local data to be set for the current user session only. Finally, just click on this radio button and make sure you have this clear cookies and other site data when I close my browser. So all cookie and this, see, I have many cookies here. You can do remove all, click OK. Now but basically when you tick this option, it will automatically be removed when you close your browser. Okay, press escape. I am returning to my settings. Then we have prediction. Search for prediction. See, use a prediction service to help complete searches, and this is sort of a Google instant. So this also will track your surfing habits and send your data to the server. Untick this also. Okay, again return to the settings. Usage, search for usage here. Advanced settings. This might be automatically ticked when you install Google Chrome. Automatically send usage statistics. Make sure it is unticked. Okay, so of the 5 settings, you can just use the first service. Use a web service to help resolve navigation errors. Rest should be unticked. Okay, so that's it. Now your Google Chrome is very private. Okay, no data is being sent to any other site except the minimum data which is required. I would also recommend you to install a browser called SRWare Iron. It's based on Google, basically Google Chrome, exactly like it. I will actually show you it. And basically all the things which we have done here are inbuilt in this browser. So here it is. So if you look at this, all the menus, everything like Chrome only, exactly like Chrome. Even I will show you the wrench menu, see, like this, but it is SRWare Iron. Almost the version of Google and SRWare Iron is also same. Okay, Google SRWare Iron says that it will, on its website if you go, it will tell all the comparisons, you know, which features it has more private than Google Chrome. So I am normally using this browser. I have stopped using Google Chrome because I know it will track in each and every possible manner. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice time. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.